at the moment, our system is particularly generous compared to other countries in Europe, where after 5 years, you're effectively automatically settled in this country. We will change that so that the status you get when your claim is granted and you're accepted as a refugee is for 2.5 years, and which is renewable every 2.5 years, and you're on a much longer path to permanent settlement in this country of 20 years. So that is changing the way that we look at refugee status, and it is designed to prevent some of those pull factors, because what I also want to do alongside the changes that I'm making on reducing those pull factors is to create more safe and legal routes for people to come here legitimately at our invitation, which we believe is the best way to bring people over from danger abroad and help them settle in this country.